Welcome back to Deluxe Guitar Songs. Today we're going to be going over Night Moves by Bob Seger, standard tuning with the capo on the first fret. So thanks again for coming back to the channel. Please like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell at the bottom of the screen so you get a notification when we put out a new guitar lesson for you. Thank you. So getting right into it, the chords we're going to be playing are a G, okay, standard tuning. You could play it like that with just your middle finger on the third fret of the sixth string and your middle finger and your pinky finger on the third fret of the B and the E string. Or you could play G major with that index finger down here on the second fret of the fifth string. We're going to be playing an F. So that's going to be your middle finger your ring finger and your pinky finger are going to be the third fret of the fifth and the fourth string. Your middle finger is going to be on the second fret of the third string, and your index finger will be on the first fret of the B string. We're going to be playing a C. So, you can just lift your pinky off and move your ring finger up one string. So your ring finger, or your middle finger, move that up one string. That's going to go from the second fret of the G string to the second fret of the fourth string. We're also going to be playing a D. That's your index finger on the second fret of the G string, ring finger on the third fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the second fret of the high E string. We'll be playing an E minor today. So that's just middle finger, index finger on the second fret of the fifth and fourth string. Okay. We're going to be playing a B minor. So that's barring your index finger across the second fret from the fifth string down, your ring finger and your pinky finger on the fourth fret of the fourth and third strings, and your middle finger is on the the third fret of the second string. You'll be playing an A minor. So that's just your middle finger and your ring finger on the second fret of the fourth and third string, and your index finger on the first fret of the B string, second string. Okay, you're going to be playing a C7 as well. So you're just taking your index finger off of that C, standard C, C7, C minor, or C major 7. I believe that's all the chords we're going to get into. So the most important part of the song is how Bob turns his acoustic guitar into a percussion instrument, the way he is kind of palm muting and slapping his strings at the same time when he's playing the G. So the intro and the verses, it's a G, F, C, and then it walks back up, F, G, and after he plays that G down, he palm mutes it and slaps it like at the same time. So he's slapping it with his palm, and then he's strumming it up and down. So, just slow it down, practice that palm muting, that slap technique, work that in there. Make sure you're muting that sixth string when you go down here to play that F and the C, okay? Before he goes into the chorus, he hangs on that C, and then he goes down to a D. So again, he's playing that intro verse section with the G, F, C. He hangs on that C. Goes right to that E minor. So he'll play that series, G, F, C, do another verse, do another chorus. Then after he does that chorus, he's just kind of back on the G, F, C again. And then it kind of goes into like a little interlude. So he'll go back into this F and then down and hold on that E minor. So he'll go. E minor. And then he just goes upstroke down on that E minor again. Then he does the same thing on the D. And then to that G. And then he'll play that C major. G, C major, and he's going to go into the F, D, G, and this is where the whole song breaks down. When he said he woke up last night to the sound of thunder. Plays a C after that G, and it goes back to that G again, then it goes to a C major 7. So that's just taking that index finger off of that first fret on the 2nd string. Then he goes back to an E minor. Only have a 9 moves. C. Back to that E minor. C. E minor. C major 7. And then I'll let that G ring out one last time. Then you'll hear him, actually I skipped a part. So he kind of, right before he goes into that woke last night to the sound of thunder, he's on the 4th string. So that little section where he plays that. So it's open on 4. He hammers on that 2nd fret of the 5th string. Back up to open on 4. 3rd fret on the low E. Plays that twice. And then he goes into woke last night to the sound of thunder. C. That G. C major 7. E minor. If I have 9 moves. C. E minor. C. E minor. C major 7. And I'll hold on that G right there. And then he slowly comes back into that G, F7. They play that a million times, and I believe the last time they play it, he plays an E minor. B minor. A minor. C. G. So it's a really pretty song to play. It's real fun. It's a great song. I'm sure all your friends will love listening to you play it when you're hanging out and just playing music. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson today. If you have any comments, leave them down there. Any song requests, please like, subscribe, and share. And we look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.